Hi, everybody. It's Tracy Malone from narcissistabusesupport.com. Today, I'm going to be talking to my estranged parents, and we're going to be talking about betrayal because most estranged parents are in such pain, but they don't necessarily see all the ways that they've been betrayed, which equate to all the pain you're feeling. Again, this is another lesson type of thing I teach in my groups, but we're going to talk about betrayal. So think about, do you feel betrayed by your child, by their spouse, by the situation? Let's move forward from there. Let's talk about what betrayal is because it's bigger than just what we think. So betrayal is the breaking of trust by someone you depended on emotionally, physically, or relationally. It involves a violation of expectations, intimacy, and loyalty. It is the most painful form. Betrayal not comes from strangers, but from the people you trust the most to never hurt you. So that's the part is sure, some stranger can betray you, but the people you love the most generally betray you the worst. I can attest to that with my ex-husbands. Um, what I want to talk about is ways of the betrayal happening, right? The betrayal of the relationship. You raised them, nurtured them, loved them, and they cut you out. Betrayal of your loyalty. Your child was aligned with a controlling spouse or in-law against you, right? The betrayal of shared history. Think about that. Your memories are denied, rewritten, or framed as abuse or unworthy. Terrible. And betrayal of your identity. This is where the child has labeled you toxic, unsafe, narcissistic, whatever they've thrown at you, you are damaging the child. So, betrayal of who you really are. That's huge. Parents who love their children and gave them everything, and now it's erased. So, who you are is being erased. Betrayal of generational trust, betrayal of values, right? The values that we forgive and we talk and we communicate are discarded, gone, right? You know this. Betrayal by silence, right? Just because they've ghosted you, no closure and punishment. Um, that's a betrayal. Betrayal by inaction. Even if your child knows the truth, they choose to defend their partner and go against you. This feels like a betrayal, right? And betrayal of the unconditional love that you gave them, and that parents' love would always be enough. And suddenly it's not. The reason that betrayal hurts parents so much is it violates the attachment bond, right? We all know we have that. We think it's unbreakable when it's our child, but it challenges your identity as a good parent. It challenges your self-worth because you ruminate, you think, did I do something wrong? This betrayal is doing it to you, but you're the one that's ruminating because that's what good people do. They question, they want answers, right? Narcissists never worry if they did something wrong. They're just probably counting it on a leaderboard. Yay, I got another thing, right? Um, and I think betrayal also isolates you socially. Many parents' worlds get smaller and smaller when they're in an estrangement situation. And, few understand the grief, few understand the shame, and few understand what the heck this really is, and they blame you. Or even if they don't blame you to your face, they certainly are thinking, what do you do? So I think we have to really learn to name it, understand it. You're allowed to feel it. Realize, like I just listed some things, write it down, journal. What betrayal things do I feel? And why? And name it, right? And then stop trying to explain it away. Betrayal is not a misunderstanding. It is a choice, and your children are being coerced. So anchor yourself into reality, build new trust with yourself, and do not let this betrayal run your life. Um, if you haven't yet visited my website, narcissistabusesupport.com, hundreds of blogs on estrangement, and they're scheduled till March right now. So there's lots and lots of good stuff coming out there. Also, let's not forget, gotta get the sun out of it, estranged by lies, how narcissistic partners use power and control to destroy your family. So this is Tracy Malone. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't, because YouTube recommends the videos if they get more likes. So please do that for me, and I'll see you in the next video.